So hello YouTube, today we have something interesting to unbox. So in this room, my office room is on the upstairs where I have 4K 43-inch LG TV which can be used as monitor, and in my other floors I have multiple monitors like LG, Dell. But on this ground floor, this is my dad's office. Here I did not had any monitor, so I decided to buy one. So I did lots of intensive research, and after that I finalized this BenQ 2790. The full model number is BenQ GW series 2790. And before this, I almost finalized the Dell 27-inch monitor, but it had, the good thing was it had 5 years warranty, and the bad thing was it did not have the speaker. Even though I have Harman Kardon system in this room, it's a professional soundbar, but still I am not sure my dad will be using all the time such a loud system or not. So having a speakers is definitely a plus point. So this is how the box has arrived. Even though I have the Prime membership, still it took almost a week to reach at my place. Let me share the manufacturing date and MRP. May 2025 is the month of import. MRP is 18,000 rupees. And for during this freedom sale, I got this for 9,000 rupees only after card discount, or after all the discounts and on Amazon. I used a SBI credit card. That's why I got the 10% discount. Regularly, this monitor is being sold around 12-13K, but during sale I got this for 9K. I'm sharing everything honestly because nothing is sponsored here on this channel. I purchase everything myself. So I hope, let me check the camera angle, you can see everything clearly. Okay, it's clear. Now let me unbox it. So there is one more model 2791, but that model is cheaper than this. You may think that model is better than this one, but that's not the case. It has less features than this model. So you get the HDMI cable. I don't know, it's 1.4 or 2.1, because but on the thickness I will keep it pack piece because I have lots of HDMI cables. I will use another one which I have in stock. This supports 1.4 HDMI, not 2.1. This is bad thing. It has 15 amperes plug. What are you doing, BenQ? This is not a microwave oven. Why do you need such a high power? And if it needs such a high power, I'm not sure about the wattage it requires. Let me check. So if it needs the high power, you won't be able to use it on the UPS. Okay, power consumption is not written here. We will check the manual. So the packaging is in thermocol, which looks very heavy. When the Tempo arrived at my place, I was a bit worried because the box was kept in very bad shape. I hope everything inside is in good shape. Okay. So here is the manual instruction guide. Another thing, I chose this monitor because I can use the display port HDMI two HDMI ports plus display port. So it has in general three ports. One display port I can use full time for the laptop. Another two HDMI I can use anything like setup box or anything, as it has the built-in speakers. I am curious to know the wattage. Let me share the wattage so that I'm curious to know why they have used the 15 ampere plug point. Okay, wattage. Where is the specification? It's a very big manual. I don't want to waste your time, but if I get it quickly, it will be really helpful for all of us. Okay, it's not written over here. Let me research a bit more. So here you have some components of monitor. GW2790 it's written. This is metal, this is plastic. This is the main base plate. This is metallic. It does not have the completely metallic stand though. Now what you are supposed to do, you are first supposed to clamp this inside the monitor and then you will clamp this inside. I don't know if screws are required or not, but I believe this is a plug and play setup because I don't see holes anywhere and not even screws are provided. Now I will keep all this documentation aside. And I will open the actual monitor. This is heavy. So this is how monitor will come at your place in thermocol. Oh, I wanted the 32 inches, but 32 inches, there is sweet spot for every size. Okay, I have done lots of analysis on monitors, and for full HD, maximum size you can buy is 27 inches. Okay, and if you try to search full HD in 32 inches, you won't get the branded products like Dell, HP, Lenovo, or this BenQ, because they know the engineering, they know what is pixelation, and they don't want to build a compromised product. Okay, so if you want to buy 32 inches in full HD, you will get the Chinese brands like Zebronics and Frontech and whatnot. So they only have the full HD models in 32 inch size. It's a pretty heavy monitor. This is how it looks. Let me show you the close view. I'm really scared. It should not. You can see all the ports. And here you will plug in the adapter. This is how the screen looks. This is the bottom side. Two speakers, 2.5 watts each. 2.5 watts is enough, guys. Here is a joystick. Okay, 3 buttons over here. I think this button has the illumination, that's why it's in transparent color. Now there is no protection film on the monitor glass, I think so, but it's in matte finish. and it's good actually. Monitor should be in matte finish only. Let me see if I can see the wattage on this specification. Okay, it's manufactured in April 2025, and on the box you saw it was imported in May 2025. The exact model number is GW2790. Unfortunately, I cannot see wattage written anywhere. It's made in China only, but it's like Apple, so build quality will be good. No wattage. Okay, I don't know what is the logic of using 15 ampere plug point, but it is what it is. Now I'll plug in this. Okay, you heard the click. Now it's locked. Okay, and now this thing, the base plate, will go inside. Okay, it's not locking. I think I'm missing on something, not sure what, or it is supposed to be like this only. Wait, so you will push the base plate hard. So this is how it locks. Now it's not moving. Very easy setup. There is lock symbol on the back. I don't know what it is for. Over here I can see some kind of lock symbol. Maybe you can insert a chain lock or something if you are using it on the commercial basis somewhere on the outdoor, so that someone won't take your monitor aside. So you can insert some chain inside this and it will get locked. That's why this lock feature is provided. Here you see the BenQ branding at the back, some texture only on the left side. I don't know what is the logic. It's not on right side. And here there is something inside. I don't know, it's for maintenance maybe. We have tilt adjustment like this. Okay, so I hope you know the monitor should be at the top of your monitor should be at your eye level, or maybe little higher than your eye level. Never keep monitor like this, because the purpose of using monitor is to improve your ergonomics. You are not supposed to look down all the time. That will give you the back pain and neck pain. You are supposed to sit straight in the straight tight posture, and you are supposed to look upwards. That's the best way. Now I'll switch on this monitor. I will have to look for the 15 ampere plug point, which is really a pain. This is not my refrigerator or microwave or geyser. I don't know. Such a big brand is providing 15 amperes plug point, maybe due to surge current, because I had a LG 4K monitor in my another place, which was very expensive monitor on my another flat, and there I believe the motherboard due to voltage fluctuation, and that had the plug point of 5 amperes. I'm not sure if that is the purpose. To keep this safe, they are providing the 15 ampere plug point maybe. Let me plug in. I can use 5 ampere plug point, but I will try to keep everything original. BenQ is such a good brand. Why it does not provide a warranty of 5 years like Dell, I'm not sure. Because it creates peace of mind. You can get idea of the size now. I'm sitting over here, and from here, if I sit too close like this, then this screen is kind of big. So better to keep the distance of 1.5 feet at least, and then only buy this size. But I'm pro guy. I'm used to 43-inch screen, and it's not too far from my place. You know, the rooftop room. You can see my other videos, and it's like 2 feet from my place. But what happens? The problem, I'll tell you. It's crystal clear, but the problem is when I have to scroll my mouse from left to right, I look like this and this. I have to move my head all the time. So that's a good exercise, but that's not a practical or productive way to work on. It gives me some more comfort, but it's not efficient, I would say. It will take some time to get used to it. This is more efficient. This is best screen to work for hours, and this is actual monitor. This is not a television. And my main purpose is for productivity. I will be scrolling through it. I will be reading small text on this monitor. That's why 32-inch in full HD makes no sense at all. I will have to buy, for future upgrade, I will buy 32-inch but in 4K. That's the real resolution required for 32-inch, and monitors are always expensive than televisions. Okay, you can buy 32-inch television for some cheaper brands like MI and all in 10K. Okay, but this monitor of 27-inch full HD same resolution, it will cost you 10K. So apples can't be compared with oranges. Many people think like it's the same thing, it's same IPS display. No guys, this display is A plus grade, and the accuracy it provides is top notch. Now I'll quickly set this up on my laptop. I'll bring another HDMI and the extension unit for 15 ampere plug point, and then we will resume this video. So I brought the HDMI cable which I had. I had many HDMI cables, but this one looked flexible. You can see it's a high-speed HDMI cable. It has some different kind of ports, so you can easily plug it out and pull it in as and when required. If you can identify from these ports, it's 2.1 or 1.4, I'm not sure. And I got this converter 5 ampere to 15 ampere. I had it with me. I hope it will work fine, because I don't have any 15 ampere point in my office room, and most of the guys out there will be doing this only. So it doesn't make any sense to provide the 15 ampere plug point. What technically should be done is you should have a 15 ampere mains cable running from your main meter till your monitor. Okay, and then it will be full safe to have that power supply. Okay, now I'm plugging in the HDMI 1. Okay, HDMI plugged in successfully. I'll keep the monitor on this side so that it will be easy for you. Okay, it has detected the monitor. So now the picture will be clear. So for the first time, I'm switching it on. Switch it on. Okay, perfecto. Okay, so this laptop is very old one. I don't know it will support the full HD monitor or not. Oh shit. So maximum output this laptop has is Okay, wait. Now I'm setting it to show only display 2. Now it should show the full HD. Okay, perfecto. Now it's showing the full HD. You can see. So the resolution is full HD. Let me try extending the display so that I can use both of these. Okay, so for monitor now I have the full HD, and if you can see, this is 100 Hertz monitor. I'm not sure where I can do the 100 Hertz setting. It's on 60 Hertz only. So refresh rate goes max till 60 only. For this laptop, I believe it's because this one does not have the graphic card inbuilt. So choose the refresh rate. It has given the refresh rate disclaimer. Choose the refresh rate of your display. Okay, a higher refresh rate provides smoother motion but also consumes more power. Okay, that's the reason this one has the 15 ampere plug point. So if you set it on 100 Hertz, it will consume lots of power. And if you see the Dell same size, same monitor, it has 75 Hertz refresh rate and it has 5 ampere plug point. So I got this point. I did this discovery right now. Not a big discovery though, but still. For the original internal display, I don't have any setting, but for this I can change the refresh rate to 60 Hertz max. Now for the first one, this is the max HD screen. Okay, so now my monitor is the main display on the left, and if I scroll it to the right, the cursor will go to this screen. Only this setup is a bit awkward at this point of time. I'll have to make some changes in arrangements. I have one more table over here, but this room is now full with furniture, and to make full use of this monitor, I should keep the mouse and keyboard in front of it. Now let's go through some sound test. I play some 4K video, not 4K, full HD only. IPS video test. Now my next purchase will be some gaming laptop. I don't really need it, but I'm thinking of taking this YouTube thing seriously. I don't have time to do so. This is not my income source or anything. I do it just for passion, guys, for you guys, so that it will help. So right now I have not changed any settings. Okay, it's on default settings. I'll keep it on full HD mode. Okay, so the color mode is standard. Brightness is 100%. Low blue light plus feature it has. Speaker volume I can set from here. Okay, let me keep it to max, and then I can control the speaker volume from my laptop itself. Brightness is 100%. Low blue light plus. Let me see what it does. Okay, it reduces the blue light. Nice. This is very good feature. I will keep it on high. Okay, this is color mode. What about other menu? Let me discover it for you. Okay, input you can select HDMI 1, HDMI 2 or DisplayPort. Color mode is standard. There are many color modes like coding, care mode, mbook, cinema, game. Okay, it has additional eye care. Okay, low blue light plus. BI Gen 2. I don't know what it is. It is a light meter. Okay. It will automatically, here is the sensor, it will automatically sense the light in surrounding and then it will set the brightness, which is I believe good thing, but not required for me at least. It has eye reminder for every 30 minutes, 45 minutes or 60 minutes. You can set up the reminder that you should move your eyeballs and see here and there. So I hope you know the 20-20-20 rule. I know that, but after 20 minutes, you are supposed to move your eyeballs for 20 times for 20 seconds, something like that. So that is a 20-20-20 rule to keep your eyes perfect. But honestly, I don't follow that. But we should follow that. So color, temperature, gamma, and all these settings are there. Audio, scenario, standard, dialogue, music. 3 equalizers are there. Speaker on, off, on. Speaker volume 100. Okay, these are the settings. Display OSD. Okay, language, display time. Okay, OSD log, display mode, full input auto switch. Okay, it has input auto switch. Very nice feature. So suppose I have this laptop as well as the Fire TV stick or any setup box. If I turn on the setup box, it should automatically take the HDMI of setup box. That is what the auto switch means. AMA is high. I don't know what AMA is. You can Google it. Auto detect. RGB PC range auto detect. DCI is on. Sorry, DDC or slash CI. Why you guys use the short term? They can use the details on the right now. There is a blank space over here. Auto power off. Okay, it has auto power off feature, but I don't know when auto power off will work. It's on off right now. I'll keep it to 10 minutes, but it should not switch off when I'm using the monitor. If it's in ideal state, then it should switch off. Okay, it's giving the information. Current resolution is 1920 by 1080. That means full HD at 60 Hz. It's showing the current resolution. Optimum resolution, it says 1920 by 100 Hz. Okay, so the last option is reset all. So that's all we have in the setting. It's pretty easy to use. Now I have kept the blue mode on +5. I will also change the theme to dark. I believe it's on dark. And I will turn the night light on. Okay. No, it's too yellow now. I will turn it off. This is good. So this was all regarding this monitor. The text I can see clearly and it's very easy to use now. I hope it will help my dad in day-to-day activities. But honestly, I'm used to 43-inch screen, so this is not a surprise to me. For a common man, this screen is good, but for me, who is used to high-end screens, this is just a basic thing. I mean, this is the bare minimum size you should have, I will say. Now let me play this thing. This is the video quality. Let me turn off all the lights. Volume is really low, guys. I am not impressed with volume because my another 24-inch LG TV has very loud volume. I don't know if it's about this video or something else. Let me try some NCS track for you. So this was about the video quality. It's really good. I'm not gonna watch movies on this so far. I'll just do the productivity work, but I'm really worried about the audio quality. It's not loud. It's bare minimum voice. I'm not even able to enjoy from 2 feet. I don't know what's wrong. Uh, Let me quickly open the audio settings in front of you. Okay, it has the rubber pads at bottom. That's why it's not shaking here and there. I'm really impressed with that. Sound settings. Okay. Okay, both speakers are working, right and left. So it supports 2 channel audio till 48 hertz. Volume is on the max. Okay, so here the sound quality was low. Now I'll set it to max. Give application experience, give experience priority. Okay. Now it's little better. So I simultaneously I ran the troubleshoot. Audio enhancements didn't load. Okay. It's not about microphone. Now I'll keep the settings on max and let's see if there is improvement in audio. So as of now, I'm just exploring the more things. If you are okay and if you are satisfied with this video, then you can drop off. But if you are curious to see the sound quality of this monitor speakers, then please stay up. Okay, room correction, low frequency protection, loudness equalization. Loudness equalization uses understanding human hearing to reduce the volume. Okay, I don't want to reduce it. Low frequency protection also. I'll disable all the enhancements, guys. I'll apply. Format not supported by the device. Okay. Okay, I applied the. Why it's going back to. I'm applying the studio quality, but it's going back to 16 bits. I don't know what's wrong. As soon as I click on apply, it's going back to maybe some driver of my laptop is bad. Okay, now let's play some NCT track. No audio. I think I messed up something. I will have to restart the PC to reapply the settings. So this was all regarding the video. The sound output is not impressive. If I get any correction, let me try the another laptop. Now for now I will pause the video. If I get any correction, then only you will see some updates in this video. So here is the interesting thing I want to show you. Now I connected my high-end laptop. It's my organization's laptop, but it's a very high-end configuration. It's a business laptop, so it has the 100 Hz support. I'll turn it to 100 Hz. Okay, so now everything is super smooth. I can see the difference. The text is crystal clear now. Okay, sound effects are off. Still, the audio is not impressive. So it's good for someone who is just sitting and using this as a monitor, but not good for someone who will use it as a television. It's not that loud. Now let me play some ANSYS track for you. See the difference, refresh rate, no blurriness. Oh, come on YouTube, 2 ads. This is full volume. So the main reason I brought this instead of Dell was to have the speakers. I have the high-end music system. I can connect the external speakers, but that's not the point. I have many other monitors, and trust me guys, my LG monitor which I have upstairs is extremely loud compared to this, and I don't think it has 10 watt 20 watt speakers. It has the same 2.5 watt speakers, and still it's extremely loud. I don't know how this brand BenQ is advertising these speakers as 2.5 watts. I won't be able to even attend the meetings on these speakers. It's so quiet that my laptop speaker is louder than this one. This laptop has got B&O audio, so the speakers are very loud for this compact size, but this is not impressive. So overall conclusion, for display, for the actual purpose of this laptop, for multiple useful ports, by useful means you will use all of these ports. Only audio out 3.5 mm jack I am not sure you will use or not, but other ports are really important ports, because the display port you can directly plug in to your laptop. Two HDMI you can keep as backup or use some other devices on it. It will automatically shift to whichever HDMI has the on signal. You don't have to use these settings again and again. The display quality overall is extremely good. Let's do the dead pixel test. And overall it's good buy, but only I'm disappointed in the audio section. Audio section I am really not impressed, and I am brutally honest, as you know. No backlight bleeding, even on black screen you saw it's pretty clear. Okay, I don't have to stress it out. So this was all regarding my monitor. It's good purchase, I would say. You can go for it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, live loud.